สวัสดีค่ะ Hi everyone. Today let's make this juicy, delicious Pandan Chicken. This makes a great appetizer and is also a fun snack or finger food. Full recipe will be listed in the description box below. Let's take a look at the first half of our ingredients. We have chicken fillet, oyster sauce, sugar, pandan leaves, soy sauce, and sesame oil. And now for the second half of our ingredients. We have white peppercorn, garlic, and coriander roots. I recommend you to pound this with a pestle and mortar. Pound this into a fine paste. This is the mixture that we pound. We are going to mix everything into our chicken fillet. We are going to marinate this for at least half an hour in the fridge. We will be frying these on medium heat. Take a look at your pandan leaves. If they are looking like this, it means that they are done and you can take them out. Thank you for watching. See you next time in the next Thai recipe video. Bye bye.